Hi there, welcome to, this is Janet with Lovin the Bling Designs, and I wanted to show you how I make my ombre tumblers. This is a 20-ounce hog, and I just prepped it by sanding it and painting it with just white spray paint, and it's been painted for about a day, so that was a day ago. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make an ombre for you. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to do the Turner method. I'm going to do just apply it with my finger, and then I'm going to show you how I do my ombre. I like doing it that way because I feel like I get a better ombre look. I've never had a really good luck on using the Turner. Let me get this on a... First, let me get this on a stick. Be good. Get this. I won't sing. Okay, there we go. All right, new glove. Okay, now I'm back in gear. All right, so what I do is I just take a nice little, get my finger inside the epoxy, which is already mixed. This is KS Resin Liquid Stone. I go between Liquid Stone and Liquidy Split for this type of method. The Liquidy Split, I like how it dries a lot quicker. So a lot less chance of it, sliding, dripping. You want to do, when you're doing the, applying it with the finger method, you just want a little bit. See, I only did that one finger dip inside my epoxy, and I'm just letting it, I'm just really rubbing it down and letting it go as far as I can go without feeling any sticky non-epoxy areas on the tumbler. So you do not need a lot at all. That's the good and bad part about using the finger method, is that you don't know how much to mix without wasting any. But I just go ahead and put a very small amount and mix a small amount, so I'm not wasting too much. And in that, I do try to use whatever I may have left. If it'll fit into a small mold or something, I could do that. Okay, so it looks like I'm getting it all. You just want to make sure you get even all the way down. Make sure you have no non-sticky areas that doesn't have epoxy on your tumbler. And you want to make sure it's not too runny, because if you do, after you apply your glitter, it'll just start running off. Your glitter will just kind of, and go on down off the cup, the tumbler. And that's not a good thing. We do not want that. And if you start seeing that when you do this method, you could hurriedly get it on a turner and let it turn for an hour, and it should set up. And then you can just let it sit up. Okay, that's all we needed. See, I didn't even have to go back inside the cup. So I'll have all this for a mold. Okay, so this tumbler is going to be, I'm going to be using pumpkin from Glitter Chimp on the bottom, and I'm going to be using Matter Batter by Mr. Fancy Pants on the top. Okay, so what I like to do is definitely like to get the bottom first. Okay, get the bottom first. Really coat the bottom with this pumpkin, because the pumpkin's almost a slightly translucent. So I really like to thicken it up on the bottom. And work my way almost to the middle. Just almost to the middle. Not all the way to the middle. If you're seeing this. Okay. Okay, that's a lot. So I'm going to put my piece of paper to the side so I don't lose any of my nice pretty glitter. Get a piece of paper. And now I'm going to use the Mr. Fancy Pants Matter Batter on the top. I'm not going to use, I'm trying to be very sparingly because this is all I've got left. I got to order some more of this. I like this color with this orange. It really goes well with this orange, because it has, to me, it has a slight peachy tint to it. Peachy cream tint to it. Okay, so now I'm to the point, well, let me get some more. Toward the mid, almost to the middle. So now I'm to the point you see there's a peachy area color, the no glitter, and the pumpkin from Glitter Chimp. So now I'm going to hold my cup at an angle like this and just hold this high, a little higher, the actual glitter bottle, and just hold it at an angle and rotate my cup, my tumbler. So now I'm going to do that same process back with the pumpkin glitter at an angle like this, and let it just go on up toward the batter, the peachy colored glitter. Okay, so now you see it like that. I still see some white areas, so I'm going to go back with the peachy cream and do the same thing at an angle and just fill in those areas. Let the glitter do its thing. Let the glitter do the magic. And I still don't, I'm going to do a little bit more. Normally I could just get this in one little stroke, but I'm not really satisfied with it yet. Okay, so there is my ombre. We have pumpkin from Glitter Chimp on the bottom and Matter Batter from Mr. Fancy Pencil on top. You see it, I don't know if you can see it, I got it over the light. It's really pretty. It really blends in well. And that's how I do my ombres. I do let them just sit up to dry. And I be sure, I really make sure I put my glitter back in their containers, appropriate containers, so I do not lose any glitter. So thanks for watching, and I'll probably be posting some more videos this weekend as I get some time. Thanks for watching. Bye.